Visual inspection of soil can provide important clues about its health and quality. Here are some key things to look for when inspecting soil. 1. Texture. Take a handful of soil and rub it between your fingers. Healthy soil should feel crumbly and slightly moist, not too wet or too dry. If it feels sandy or gritty, it may lack organic matter and nutrients. If it feels sticky or greasy, it may be too heavy in clay. 2. Color. Soil color can be a good indicator of its health. Dark brown or black soil typically indicates high organic matter content, which is important for fertility. Pale or gray soil may indicate low organic matter content or soil erosion. Reddish or yellowish soil may indicate the presence of iron or other minerals. 3. Structure. Healthy soil should have a good structure, which means it should be well drained and crumbly. Look for soil that is easy to dig and doesn't form clumps or hard, compacted areas. If the soil is too hard, it may be lacking in organic matter and nutrients. 4. Organic matter. The presence of organic matter is essential for soil health. Look for soil that has a rich, earthy smell, which indicates the presence of organic matter. You may also see plant debris or roots in the soil, which is a good sign. Soil that lacks organic matter may be gray or pale in color and may feel sandy or gritty. 5. Compaction. Soil that is too compacted can lead to poor drainage and prevent roots from growing properly. Look for soil that is easy to dig and doesn't feel too hard or compacted. You may also notice cracks in the soil, which can indicate soil that is too dry or compacted. 6. Drainage. Good drainage is important for healthy soil. Look for soil that drains well and doesn't have standing water after rainfall. If you notice standing water, it may indicate soil that is too heavy in clay or lacking in organic matter. 7. pH. The pH of soil is important for plant growth. Most plants prefer soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. You can test soil pH with a home testing kit or by sending a soil sample to a lab for analysis. By visually inspecting soil for these key indicators, you can get a good idea of its health and quality. However, it's important to note that a thorough soil test by a professional can provide more detailed information about soil health and nutrient levels.